Hello friends, today we're making an easy slow cooker chicken recipe. It's a creamy Parmesan chicken that is so warm, cozy, and perfect for winter. Every bite is flavorful and it's very easy to make. Let's get started. We're going to start by placing some chicken breast into a slow cooker. Then we're going to season the chicken with some spices including paprika, Italian seasoning, salt, and black pepper. Once the chicken is seasoned, we're going to set it aside, then put together a creamy sauce for the chicken. Add some Parmesan cheese into a bowl of heavy cream. Add some freshly minced garlic, Dijon or stone ground mustard, some cornstarch, salt, and black pepper. Mix everything together very well. Then we're going to pour the mixture all over the chicken breast in the slow cooker. Evenly spread the sauce all over the chicken breast. Then we're going to add some sun-dried tomatoes. Randomly toss them all over the chicken. Then drizzle the sun-dried tomato oil all over the chicken as well. Place the slow cooker lid on. Then let the chicken slow cook for about 3 hours on high or 4 hours on low. 30 minutes before the chicken is done slow cooking, make sure you stir the sauce around very well. Since we added cornstarch to the sauce, we want to make sure there are no lumps, so mixing it in very well really helps. The last ingredient we're going to add is some spinach. Nestle the spinach into the sauce, and then let the chicken continue slow cooking for the remaining 30 minutes. And this is what the chicken looks like when it's all done slow cooking. This will make your home smell really good. There's going to be so much creamy sauce to enjoy the chicken with. The chicken is pull apart tender and juicy. You can shred the chicken and mix it in with the sauce if you like. That's what I did here. This is such a great slow cooker chicken recipe for winter. It is so cozy, warm, and delicious. If you guys would like to try this recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.